how to choose a template in Wix Studio. So you can see in here my Wix Studio, and what you can do is you can just head over right here to the discovery page, and you can see in here some studio templates. So what you can do is you can click on this explore all templates, and then it will open here a new tab. Now you can browse it by category. Like for example, you want something like some design templates already. You can head over and click on that, and you can see in here some options for your template. So for example, for this one, I'll just head over and then choose this, which is tech company. I'll head over and click on edit right here in order to open and edit this template. Now this will take some time to load your Wix Studio, so just wait for this right here. And now you can see it here now. We're having here a lot of templates, some as well as icons that can help you edit out this template right here. Now, once you're done, just head over and click on this publish option. So that's how you choose a template in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.